Now let's try to recreate a seamless pattern. I've got an example here. This pattern is abstract, still it's not geometric. It's a bit messy, also well structured, but Midjourney doesn't know about structure. The AI for now is a little bit weak in terms of geometry, so if you're trying to recreate something geometrically perfect, AI will not do it. Just get ready for that. So what we can count on is getting some similar colors, similar style, some similar elements. As you see, these are a little bit messy. By the way, when you're doing that, maybe on the way, for example, I like these, I really like these. They are not 100% similar to this. They're not similar at all, actually, but I like these. So you can just stick with what you like and move on in another direction. Okay, so these are not suitable, unfortunately, for our task. So what we see here, we see very messy illustrations, but still, I'd say that color palette and style are very much alike. I'd use as a basic prompt maybe this one or this one. Let's use this one. Let's add our original as a reference image. Also, let's add tile parameter, because this parameter ensures that Midjourney will create pattern which will be seamless. So if you just put it one by one, it will be seamless. Okay, so here what I'd like to do is I'd like to change the prompt a bit. Since button doodle like leaves and geometric shapes. Geometric shapes is too abstract for Midjourney. Let's add some particular things. What I see in the original is circles, such as circles, dots, doodle like leaves, right? I would say branches, and these are like arrows, but I would not like to say arrows, it's not arrows. Okay, colors are very nice on a white background. Let's see what we get here. So as I said, you can't count on the same composition, but you can count on the same colors and on the same art style, which is actually nice. These are not bad. I'd say that these are strange things, but this is not bad. This one is not bad at all. This is very nice. These look like carrots. Anyway, you can also rerun this prompt and see if you can do better. But anyway, this original pattern, as you see, it had some geometric harmony, yes, but Midjourney, unfortunately, is not very good with it. These are fine. I'd say that after a few reruns, you can get what you like. But I'd say that this is still fine, and this is similar to the original.